Join me as I take on the challenge of making the most delicious and energizing chia seed smoothies. Can I find the perfect recipe to boost my energy? What's really exciting is that these tiny seeds pack a huge nutritional punch, and when added to smoothies, they can give us that extra kick we need to power through our busy days. Chia seed smoothies are not just delicious, they're also an incredibly nutritious way to enhance our energy levels, making them a fantastic addition to our daily routine. Many of us face energy slumps at some point during the day, whether it's that mid-morning crash or the post-lunch slump. We often reach for a quick snack or a cup of coffee to try and perk ourselves up, but these solutions are usually temporary and can lead to energy crashes later on. Traditional snacks like chips or candy might give us a fleeting burst of energy, but they're typically high in sugar and unhealthy fats, which can have negative effects on our overall health. This cycle of energy boosts and crashes can be exhausting, both physically and mentally, and it's something we'd all like to avoid if possible. Our bodies are designed to function at their best when they're receiving the right nutrients, but many of the foods we commonly snack on are severely lacking in nutritional value. When we're running low on energy, it's easy to grab whatever's convenient, but this often means we're not giving our bodies the fuel they need to function properly. As a result, we might find ourselves feeling lethargic, struggling to focus, and lacking the motivation to tackle our daily tasks. This is where chia seeds come in, offering a natural and sustainable way to boost our energy levels and support our overall health. Chia seeds are a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein, making them an incredibly nutritious addition to our diets. These tiny seeds have been shown to have numerous health benefits, from reducing inflammation and improving heart health to supporting healthy digestion and boosting energy levels. The fatty acids in chia seeds are particularly important as they play a crucial role in the production of energy within our cells. When we consume chia seeds, we're giving our bodies the tools they need to function at their best, and this can have a profound impact on our overall health and well-being. One of the most significant benefits of chia seeds is their ability to provide a sustained release of energy. Unlike traditional snacks, which can cause a rapid spike in blood sugar followed by a crash, chia seeds release their energy slowly, helping to keep our levels stable throughout the day. This makes them an ideal ingredient for smoothies, as they can help to keep us feeling full and energized for hours after consumption. By combining chia seeds with other nutrient-dense ingredients, such as fruits and vegetables, we can create smoothies that are not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. The fiber content in chia seeds is also worth mentioning, as it plays a critical role in supporting healthy digestion and satiety. When we consume fiber-rich foods, we're helping to keep our digestive system running smoothly, which can have a significant impact on our energy levels and overall health. Chia seeds are one of the richest sources of fiber in the plant kingdom, making them an excellent addition to our diets. By incorporating chia seeds into our smoothies, we're giving our bodies the tools they need to function at their best, and this can lead to a significant improvement in our overall health and well-being. The protein content in chia seeds is another significant benefit, as it helps to support muscle growth and repair. When we're looking to boost our energy levels, it's essential to consider the role that protein plays in our diets. Protein helps to build and repair tissues, including muscles, which are essential for energy production. By consuming chia seeds, we're giving our bodies the protein they need to function at their best, and this can have a profound impact on our energy levels and overall health. Whether we're looking to boost our energy, support our overall health, or simply feel more full and satisfied, chia seeds are an excellent ingredient to include in our diets. To make a delicious chia seed smoothie, start by adding a tablespoon or two of chia seeds to your blender. You can soak the chia seeds in water or plant-based milk for a few minutes to help them gel and blend more smoothly. Next, add your favorite fruits, such as berries, bananas, or mangoes, and a handful of spinach or kale for an extra nutritional boost. You can also add a scoop of your favorite protein powder or a handful of nuts and seeds for added texture and flavor. The key is to experiment and find the combination that works best for you, so don't be afraid to try new ingredients and flavor combinations. When it comes to choosing the right ingredients for our chia seed smoothies, the options are endless. We can use a variety of fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds to create unique and delicious flavor combinations. One of the most important things to consider is the flavor profile we're aiming for, as this will help guide our ingredient choices. For example, if we're looking for a sweet and refreshing smoothie, we might choose to use fruits like berries or mangoes. If we're looking for something more green and nutritious, we might opt for spinach or kale. The key is to experiment and find the combination that works best for us. Incorporating chia seed smoothies into our daily routine can have a significant impact on our energy levels and overall health. By providing a sustained release of energy, supporting healthy digestion, and boosting our intake of essential nutrients, chia seeds can help us to feel more full, focused, and energized throughout the day. Whether we're looking to boost our energy, support our overall health, or simply feel more confident and motivated, chia seed smoothies are an excellent place to start. By making a few simple changes to our diet and incorporating chia seeds into our smoothies, we can start to notice a significant improvement in our overall health and well-being. If you've tried making chia seed smoothies or have a favorite recipe you'd like to share, please leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you and get some inspiration for my next smoothie creation. Be sure to check out my other videos on healthy eating and nutrition, as I'm always sharing new and delicious recipes, as well as tips and tricks for maintaining a balanced and healthy lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.